In recent years, military technology has taken a leap into science fiction territory. Drones, those nimble unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have revolutionized warfare. From precision strikes to intelligence gathering, they've become essential tools for modern armies. But now, there's a new player on the battlefield, the robodogs. During China's largest ever joint military exercise with Cambodian forces, the Chinese military unveiled an impressive display of advanced technology, including machine gun-equipped robot dogs of war. These remote-controlled four-legged robots are armed with automatic rifles mounted on their backs. While handlers showcased their mobility, they refrained from demonstrating their shooting skills to the audience of journalists and military officers. These armed robot dogs have the potential to serve in life-threatening operations, such as counterterrorism and drug trafficking activities. The joint drills, known as the Golden Dragon 2024, involved over 2,000 Cambodian troops, 760 Chinese military personnel, and featured a wide array of military hardware, including warships, helicopters, and armored vehicles. This development highlights the evolving landscape of warfare, where drones patrol the skies and robodogs secure the ground, reshaping military strategies for the future. These four-legged, remote-controlled robots are equipped with automatic weaponry. Imagine sleek metal canines navigating rough terrain, breaching buildings, and engaging enemies, all without risking human lives. Their mobility and agility make them ideal for urban warfare scenarios. Picture a squad of robodogs advancing alongside soldiers, providing cover fire and scouting dangerous areas. But here's the real game-changer, combining drones and robodogs. Picture a future battlefield where drones patrol the skies, identifying targets, while robodogs secure the ground. Their combined capabilities, precision strikes from above and agile ground support, could reshape warfare as we know it. As military leaders discuss strategy, it's clear that we're entering a new era. Whether it's the silent hum of a drone or the metallic paws of a robodog, one thing is certain: the future of warfare is here.